Click Smart Plus. How to pair the smart PIR sensor. Before pairing the PIR sensor, make sure you have the Click Smart Plus hub set up and paired to the app. On the home screen, tap the plus button in the top right hand corner. Next tap PIR. Select your paired gateway hub. Follow the on-screen instructions. If your sensor is not in pairing mode, tap Resetting Devices and follow the on-screen steps. Then press Continue. Once the blue indicator is blinking, tap to confirm and then press Next. The app will now add the smart PIR sensor to your account. This may take a few minutes. The sensor has been successfully added. Tap Done. You can now see if the PIR sensor has been triggered. You can change the name of your sensor for ease of use. Simply tap on the pencil icon in the top right hand corner. Tap the icon again and then press on Name. You can now change the sensor to your preference. Your smart sensor is all set up. All Click Smart Plus products are compatible with Alexa and Hey Google. Click Smart Plus, making your home smarter.